In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for course promotion. Fast and easy. Pinterest can be an excellent tool for spreading the word about your online courses, providing a fast and easy way to attract the right audience. So let's dive into the process, starting from scratch. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Type Pinterest into the search bar and hit Enter. This should lead you to a list of search results, and you're going to want to click on the first link that appears. This will take you directly to the Pinterest homepage. Once on Pinterest, it'll be time to set up your business account. A business account unlocks features essential for course promotion, like analytics and ads. If you haven't already, switch your profile to a business account. Don't forget to claim your website or whatever course platform you're using. Whether it's Thinkific, Teachable, Kajabi, or Shopify, claiming your website will add extra credibility to your pins. After setting up your business account, it's organizing time. You'll create boards that are specifically designed to appeal to your ideal students. Get creative with names, using topics like online course ideas and tips, marketing your online course, passive income strategies, free learning resources, or even student success stories and reviews. Tailoring the boards to suit what potential enrollees love learning or need help with is key. Next, you'll transform your course content into engaging pins. You can use tools like Canva or Photoshop to design vertical pins, ideally sized at 1000 x 1500 px for optimal viewing. Consider different pin types. Create content pins featuring tips or guides from your course. Design lead magnet pins offering free chapters or worksheets. Craft testimonial pins with success stories. And don't forget promo pins for discounts or enrollment announcements. Optimizing these pins for Pinterest SEO is crucial. Incorporate relevant keywords in your pin titles, descriptions, and board names to improve visibility. Instead of a generic title like Online Course Tips, consider a more descriptive option such as How to Create and Sell Your First Online Course for Passive Income. Linking your pins directly to your sales funnel is a vital step. Ensure that each pin guides viewers seamlessly to where they can learn more or enroll. Consistency in your pinning strategy is another great tip. Aim to post 5 to 10 new pins daily. This keeps your content fresh and engaging. Also, repurpose existing course materials into multiple pin designs, experimenting with different headlines, images, or even tapping into seasonal trends. Lastly, make sure to track your progress using Pinterest Analytics. Pay attention to which pins are driving the most clicks and which boards get the most saves. This data will help you optimize your content and improve your marketing efforts. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to using Pinterest for course promotion. As you follow these steps, you'll find Pinterest to be a powerful ally in getting your courses noticed and attracting the audience you want. Happy pinning!